Now, the official Suncoast weather with ABC7 meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we are looking at some very steamy conditions out there, despite the fact that we only have a 72-degree temperature. Just because it's 72 doesn't make it feel like it's not really warm and muggy. We have a 62 dew point, which continues to rise. I think as we head into the afternoon, the south-southeast wind will continue to bump up that dew point a little bit. And as we head into the evening hours, even though it's not summer-like humidity, it's going to feel a little more sticky than it did just 24 hours ago. Right now, temperatures across the region: 72 Wauchula, 73 Arcadia, Myakka, Parrish, Bradenton at 73, 72 Lakewood Ranch, 73 Northport, Venice, 71 in Inglewood, 71 in Punta Gorda, and on the Key, a little cooler, coming in at 69 degrees. So we have something going on across the state of Florida and the United States in the form of a big dip in the jet stream with a lot of energy racing through the jet stream. And the surface reflection of that upper level energy is this developing area of low pressure along the northern Gulf Coast. As it develops, it kind of runs along this track left over frontal boundary and produces another cold front that will sink its way south across the state of Florida. We're watching it carefully to see if it produces any severe weather. At this time, we don't anticipate any, though I will tell you there are indications that suggest one or two strong storms, even severe storms, are possible in the state of Florida, most likely north of us, but still close enough that we have to keep an eye on this system. Cold fronts at this time of year with this kind of punch bear watching. As the front sinks south, our rain chances will start to increase tonight and then clear out pretty quickly as that front sinks south. Fog and then sunshine. Obviously, the sun is shining over most of the locations now. We still have some patches of lingering fog down around Charlotte County, but it's not bad. It's not an issue, really. Clouding up again tonight as that front gets closer, and then storms tonight through tomorrow. Cold air, one of the energizing factors of this. Boy, it is a brutal outbreak of cold along a lot of the United States. 12 degrees in St. Louis, 8 degrees in Kansas City, 8 degrees in Denver, -3 in Minnesota. I tell you, really chilly air sinking southward. So if we look at the RPM computer model that we have here at the station and put it forward through time, notice this area in pink. That is freezing rain. That is a travel nightmare in the deep south. And watch where it heads. Right up close to Atlanta, transitioning into snow beyond that. That's exactly what they don't want to see, but that certainly is in the cards perhaps, and also some heavy snowfall for parts of the Carolinas as well. For us, we'll probably see some showers starting later tonight. That's certainly possible, 1 or 2 here or there, but it's really tomorrow morning. After 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning and toward dawn that we start to see some of the bigger storms begin to approach the area. And that will occur throughout the day and into the early afternoon. I think by lunchtime those storms will be pushing southward and we'll start to see some clearing in the afternoon. With that said, we'll probably also see the winds picking up and some colder weather coming our way. Right now, the winds are coming in out of the south at the surface. That's pumping up the moisture. Those will whip right around to the northwest and increase in intensity as we go into the afternoon tomorrow. It's going to not be great boating weather Sunday afternoon. Well, even Sunday morning with the thunderstorms around, but Sunday afternoon with the winds and, Saturday as well, I think, because of the wind gusts that could approach 25 knots or so. I think small craft advisories will be needed over the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. Then we look at the temperatures, and boy, do they fall. We'll look for a 42 overnight temperature Saturday into Sunday morning, and inland, you could have some upper 30s. Plus on Sunday, well, I doubt we even see the mercury break the 60-degree mark. And with breezy conditions, it's definitely going to feel raw, Don.